The individual whose birthday falls on this date is physically and mentally alert and constantly on the move. Like your planetary ruler Mercury, the messenger god, you are extremely clever, quick-witted, and fast on uptake. Some may consider you a rather smooth operator because of your ability to talk your way out of sticky situations. You are sociable and generally popular with everyone you meet. You love people, make new friends easily, and tend to keep the old ones for many years. Although interested in virtually everything, people born on June 12 are not inclined to dig very deeply into a single subject. Resourceful and flexible, you have a gift for rolling with the punches that often gets you through rough situations that would overwhelm more rigid personalities. You drive on diversity and change, and with your quick mind and multitasking abilities, you are quite capable of keeping several different balls in the air at once. Since it is so easy for you to switch back and forth among different undertakings, there is a danger of spreading yourself too thin or having difficulty deciding on a specific career path. Young at heart and a natural entertainer, you want a fun-loving mate or partner who shares your many interests. You are particularly attracted to bright, lively individuals that with whom you can have intelligent, spirited discussions.